Hello everyone, I'm excited to be back with another teardown video. Today we're going to take a look at what's inside the Jbl Xtreme 4. With its hefty price tag, you might be wondering, is it truly worth the investment? So join me as we uncover what your money is getting you. First off, we'll be prying up the fabric cover, starting from the rear side of the speaker and gently pulling it off from the back. You'll notice that the front side of the cover has two tabs, secured by screws. They will need to be removed to completely take off the cover. And now we have the cover separated. This cover is well constructed, made with JBL usual quality materials with a nice JBL logo. With the cover removed, we can see the speaker bare body. We'll begin by detaching those two aluminum loops by unscrewing the two screws on each loop. These loops make it convenient to attach the included shoulder strap so the speaker can be easily carried around. Next, we'll gently pry off the two protective rubber rings from each side of the speaker. These rubber guards help absorb shock and protect the passive radiator from direct impact, which can damage and affect the speaker's performance. They also provide extra grip, making the speaker easier to handle and more durable for outdoor use. Next, we will remove the two passive radiators by removing 4 screws from each side. Once the screws are removed, the passive radiator portion of the speaker can be pulled off, and then we can gently remove the cable connection for the tweeters. Now we will remove the tweeters by taking off 3 screws from each tweeters. And here we have the tweeters. These 20mm tweeters are impressively compact yet powerful, delivering a solid 20 watts RMS output when plugged into AC power and still a respectable 15 watts in battery mode. Designed specifically for high frequency sound, these dedicated tweeters handles the crisp, detailed treble and bring vocal elements to life, enhancing clarity and depth in the music. Here we have the passive radiators, securely glued to the enclosure and reinforced by the skeleton backbone for added support. These radiators are essential for amplifying the bass response, allowing the speaker to produce deeper, richer lows without requiring additional power or larger drivers. Next, we'll remove the front LED battery indicator light by taking out 4 screws. Positioned right at the front of the speaker, the LED indicator is designed for easy visibility, allowing you to quickly check the battery level and charging status at a glance. Now we remove the two woofer by unscrewing the 4 screws and carefully prying them off. Here we have both the woofer, measuring 2.7 inches each and delivering an impressive 30 watts of RMS power when connected to AC power and 20 watts in battery mode. These are mid woofer designed to handle the mid and low frequency sound and work well with the tweeters to provide a balanced sound profile with deep bass, clear mids, and crisp high. Now we will turn the speaker to the back to where the battery is located. We will use a T20 torque screw to remove the speaker cover and pull the battery out. And here with the battery, which surprised me with its decent size. It is a 7.2 watt 9444 milliamp hour battery pack with a charge time of just 3.5 hours, providing an impressive total music playtime of up to 24 hours. In my opinion, the performance, capacity, and efficiency of the Xtreme 4 really enhances the speaker portability and usability. With the battery out of the way, let's remove the charging port by removing 2 screws and then prying off the cover. Once the cover is removed, we will remove and disconnect the ribbon and cable connection to the charging board. Here we have the charging board, which features a USB-C port with both charging in and out capability. This versatility allows for quick charging not only of the speaker itself, but also for other devices, making it a practical choice for anyone looking to maximize the audio experience while staying powered up. Now we will remove the power board by removing 3 screws and then a few ribbon and cable connection. And here we have the power board, which plays a crucial role in managing power distribution and the charging function, as well as regulating the power for the speaker battery pack. This board is essential for ensuring that the speaker operates efficiently, providing stable power to all components while preventing overcharging or power surge. Additionally, it enables USB output functionality, allowing the speaker to double as a power bank. With the power board removed, we can now slide out the motherboard and disconnect all the ribbon and cable connection. Here we have the motherboard, which houses all the essential components for audio processing, connectivity, and power management. This central hub supports Bluetooth 5.3, offering improved stability and faster connection, ensuring a seamless audio experience. It features AI Sound Boost, which intelligently enhances audio output for the richer listening experience, and Autocast for stereo pairing, allowing you to connect multiple speakers for a more immersive soundstage. Additionally, the motherboard is compatible with the Jbl Portable app, providing the user with further customization option and control over their audio settings. Now let's take our attention to the top of the speaker. we will peel off this rubber control. Once this is removed, we can also pry it off and disconnect the two control panels. And here we have the two top control panels. They contain all the essential buttons for effortless control of the speaker and allow you to manage your audio settings directly on the top. Once that is done, we can remove two screws to take off the battery contact board from inside. And here we have the battery contact board, which serves as a crucial interface between the battery and the power board. This component is responsible for establishing the electrical connection necessary for power transfer. And this concludes the teardown of the Jbl Xtreme 4. I hope you find it insightful for whichever reason you watched the video for. If you have any suggestions for future teardowns, I would love to hear them, as your feedback is always welcome. Until then, I look forward to seeing you again on the next teardown.